Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today's lesson we are going to learn daily use short English sentences. So let's start our today's lesson. हमारा पहला सेंटेंस है अगर हमने किसी से ये कहना हो कि आओ और मेरी मदद करो तो इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे कम एंड हेल्प मी. कम एंड हेल्प मी. उसकी बात ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to him carefully. Listen to him carefully. क्या तुम घर पर हो? Are you at home? Are you at home? आज हम सब घर पर हैं. Today we are all at home. Today we are all at home. आज का दिन यादगार होगा. Today will be memorable. Today will be memorable. आज क्या तारीख है? What date is it today? What date is it today? या फिर हमने ये पूछना हो कि आज कौन सा दिन है तो इंग्लिश में पूछेंगे What day is it today? What day is it today? आज का मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather today? How is the weather today? आज मौसम खुशगवार है. It is pleasant today. It is pleasant today. क्या आज का कोई खास प्रोग्राम है? Is there any special plan for today? Is there any special plan for today? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? मुझे तुम्हारी मदद की ज़रूरत है. I need your help. I need your help. मुझे थोड़ा वक्त चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. मुझे जाना है. I need to go. I need to go. क्या तुम मुझे घर छोड़ दोगे? Can you take me home? Can you take me home? तुम्हें ध्यान देना चाहिए. You should pay attention. You should pay attention. तुम्हें ध्यान से काम करना चाहिए. You should work carefully. You should work carefully. और अगर हमने ये कहना हो तुम्हें उसकी बात ध्यान से सुननी चाहिए तो इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे You should listen to him carefully. You should listen to him carefully. आज का दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day today? How was your day today? आज का दिन काफ़ी अच्छा गुजरा. Today was a very good day. Today was a very good day. आज काफ़ी काम था. Today was quite busy. Today was quite busy. क्या तुमने खा लिया? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? चाय पियोगे? Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? कितने बजे हैं? What time is it? What time is it? कल मिलते हैं. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and found this video helpful, then click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.